Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me, Satnanjat from the Awesome English Language Center, Bangladesh. Today I'll tell you the paragraph of my daily routine. So let's get started. I wake up early. My daily routine is filled various activities. I wake up early in the morning and brush my teeth. Then I wear my school uniform and have my breakfast. Then I go to school. In school, I study different subjects and play with my friends. Then I return home and have my lunch. Then I take a nap and do my homework. In the afternoon, I go to play with my friends. Then I return home and watch TV for a while. Then I have my dinner with my family. Before sleeping, I read a storybook. Finally, finally, I go to sleep to wake up for next morning. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.